MotorMan presents Best LED Light Bar for ATV. Let's watch the video. AUZKIN 7 inches LED Light Bar. It really lights up the area in front of you. The combo beam is a perfect match for the needs at low visibility situation. Sealed aluminum housing protects against water, dust, moisture and rain and works even after 6 hours putting under the water. Large heat dissipation area with 10 pieces cooling fins. Built with third-generation LED chips that emit 6000 Kelvin bright cool white light. Slide-able mounting brackets for better lighting angles. The service life is up to 50,000 hours. Next, Ambother LED Pods Light Bar. This off-road triple row light bar super bright white light will definitely improve your night riding. It can provide 6000 Kelvin super bright white light. Suitable for rainy, snowy and windy weather. Shockproof and waterproof features with die-casting aluminum. Efficiently cooling down features with thin radiator fins improves its lifetime more than 100,000 hours. Operating voltage is 9 to 30 volts and can be used at most vehicles. Next, Nilight Triple Row Flood Spot Combo LED Off-Road Light. Super brightness with combo beam with triple row and nest reflector cup design in the middle for extreme light efficiency. Highly adjustable mounting bracket is convenience to adjust position flexibly when needed. It is waterproof, dustproof, quakeproof and anti-corrosive. Suitable for almost 12 Albanian Lex V battery vehicles. Installation package included 1-piece 12-inch 300W LED light bar and 1-piece wiring harness and mounting brackets. Working lifespan is over 30,000 hours. Next, SAMANLIGHT 7-inch yellow fog lights. Upgraded design provides impressive bright light to find your way in the foggy condition. 12 pieces fins for fastest heat dissipation. Great durability with die-cast aluminum housing. Great performance in extreme weather condition. Hassle-free installation, mounting hardwares are included with the package. Color temperature is 3500 Kelvin with above 50,000 hours of lifetime. Next, AutoFeel LED Light Bar. Provides brighter, wider, farther and more smooth light, allow you to see obstacles easily. Highly satisfying and much better than the headlights alone. Up to 5500 luminic cool white lighting with spot and flood beam combo. It is fully waterproof and can be used even after freezing. Quick cooling aluminum alloy heatsink extends the lifetime up to 50,000 hours. Included mounting brackets allows to mount on any type of vehicles. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get more updates on YouTube.